Our team coverage continues now in Hartford, where we learned yesterday that a newborn who tested positive for COVID-19 died. Governor Ned Lamont made the announcement yesterday.
Channel 3's Mark Robbins joins us now. He's live in Hartford with more on this story. So what do we know about this, Mark?
Well, guys, it's really what we don't know yet. We cannot say for sure that COVID-19 virus is the cause of death of this infant that was under 7 weeks old. That is still to be determined. What we do know is that this newborn died late last week after it was rushed to a hospital here in Hartford. The child is the youngest recent death in the state and could very well be the youngest in the country over the last several weeks. The baby tested positive for the coronavirus after death. Now doctors need to determine the exact cause of death. And while that is determined, the positive test does give information toward the vulnerability of our young.
I was a little skeptical about some of the early data that was coming out of China, that there were no mortalities in children and adolescents. And we're already, in the first month or two of the pandemic spreading in the U.S., there are a lot of younger, healthy adults and some children who are getting very sick.
So the investigations continue into this specific death, and the work continues to slow the spread of the virus nationwide and in all ages of the population.
My best advice for parents is limit your exposure outside the home as much as possible.
And it should be noted that despite this death, the vast majority of the 85 deaths here in Connecticut of COVID-19 have been people 70 years and older. Reporting live in Hartford, Mark Robbins, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.